Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm very excited to have some new additions to the supply section of my Etsy shop, starting with grab bag kits. These are full kits. Possibly I was making them for myself, and I'm just not gonna have time to make them. So this is the Paris grab bag kit. You get all of this here. There's note cards and note paper and tags and note paper and wallpaper. And you get a findings kit and flowers and a tassel and trim kit there as well. So that is the Paris grab bag. It is available at a stashbuster price. It's very possible that it is a very similar, it's the same things that are in the Paris Très Jolie kit, but it might be missing a couple of the items. I need the room. So you get the stashbuster grab bag Paris. Next we have the grab bag. This one is purple. So there we go, a purple. It has the findings. So beads and baubles, purple, flowers. These are the long pieces, little pieces, tags and cards and stickers. And this is the tassel and trim kit in there, and then the cover kit there. Then all kinds of papers. You see how thick that is, of papers and stickers and tags. If you know my kits, you know that this is full, and it's available to you at the stashbuster grab bag price, just while they last. Like I said, I need to make room in my little box for items, new items. So this is the spring grab bag. And you may notice it is most of the pieces of a spring blossom kit. So you get flowers, you get a tassel and trim kit, you get the findings kit. Findings where you're going to find, the buttons and the paper clips and the beads and the sequins and all of that fun stuff. So here is the cover kit. And then this is the bag of papers and note papers. There's another little bag here with some buttons and washi tape and binding string. And so this one may also probably is missing a few of the pieces, but it's available at the stashbuster price. And these sold out. So that is the spring grab bag. It is a very full kit, and those are available now in the Etsy shop. Next, I did add two of the spring bundles of the fabric squares or patches. They each will have 2 separate patches. Okay, you get a set of 2. And then you get a panel of 6 stitched together. These, my mom lovingly had stitched these together, and I brought them home. I had to make room for my brother in my parents' guest room for him to hang his clothes. So I brought home this, and this was in one of the boxes. So the other one is a panel of 8 for a total of 16 fabric patches, and the sewn ones are 9 inches, so you still could use it for a traveler's notebook cover, or, you know, you could cut it up and turn it into patchwork. I am also going to add one of these, this fabric. This one is the cover that I made, but you're going to get one of these fabric squares also. Okay, this is from the other set that I had. So there are 2 of these available in my Etsy shop, Dear Julie Julie. And then also I restocked the playing cards. So you get 40 playing cards, and they are assorted, and this is what you will be getting. Okay, so you will get the little butter churn in the light. This is a very worn, very well loved card, vintage card. You get the cute little sunflower guy. I just found just enough of those, so that's probably the end of those unless there's a little stash of them somewhere else. You get the Epcot card, the World Cup USA, Houston, Puerto Rico, New York, a beautiful blue canasta card. Look at the color in that card. So, you know, sometimes you want the card for the back. Sometimes you want the card for the front. Okay, and this is going to be my set, so I will be showing you ideas using cards. We have Bob and Virginia. Aren't they cool? With the bow tie and the pearl necklace. I just think those are awesome. The Carnival. We have the Capitol at Williamsburg and the Governor's Palace at Williamsburg. Look at those clothes. We have the Notre Dame, an Eiffel Tower, Paris. We have these beautiful ones. We have these. The windmill with the tulips. My tulips are blooming outside. I almost missed it. They bloomed while I was gone, but I got to see them. We have the vintage, very, very vintage, beautiful flamingo card. The couple of cardinals on the branch. The blue jay, the puppy, and he kind of looks like our Chip, but Chip doesn't have the long ears. Okay, I found just enough little fox to add to this. The fairy elf card, the scary boat cards, 2 of them. Get the other boat card. This one's like a linen card. You can see the embossing on there. The women's golf cards. The San Diego card. This is a new card. My daughter actually bought these for me, and knowing that I would do this and I would give them away, use them in junk journals. This is the Julie Shelley card. We have the lazy guy on the back making her do all the work on the bicycle set of cards. The band guy, look at the bird on his shoulder. The pool or billiards. But it also says bingo. Oh, so I guess it's actually not, it's bingo. It's bingo. I thought it was pool. Pool doesn't go up to those big numbers, but it's pool balls or bingo balls. Bingo balls. And train. And then there was a pink backed card that had a hat and cane on it. Excuse me. I can't find it anywhere, so I have replaced it with this vintage, very vintage house card. I think it's really fun. So those are the 40 cards that you get in the 40 assorted playing cards, now available in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. So we also have added this morning the 16 quilt squares. Those are going fast, so if you wanted those, you might check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video and the update of the items I've added to my shop. I do hope you'll go check it out. And again, remember these grab bags, they are pretty much right now, these 3 are one of a kind. One of each kind. Each one of a kind. One of each kind. And so I hope you'll go check those out. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.